Welcome to Strengthening Arcanum 11, Inner Strength, Activating Courage, Self-Control, and Compassion. Today we'll focus on integrating the energies of the major arcanum, the Strength, symbolizing resilience and the power of mind over matter. Through energetic figures, we'll strengthen body, mind, and spirit, activating courage, self-control, and compassion to face life with determination and balance. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving on to the next arcanum. I strengthen your midline to be prepared, open, and receptive to these energies. I strengthen your connection with the energy of the arcanum, the strength empowering you to integrate the ability of intelligence to master brute force, enabling you to accept and recognize that true strength comes from inner control and resilience, empowering you to connect with this vital energy. I activate in you the ability to face challenges with calm and determination, empowering you to break free from blocks that hinder your inner strength, enabling you to let this power flow freely through your being, integrating the vital energy and life force of this arcana within you. I reinforce the triad of courage, willpower, and determination in you, strengthening your ability to face life with resilience, neutralizing fears and doubts that might limit your vital drive, activating your nervous system's capacity to overcome obstacles, recognizing the true strength within your mind, body, and spirit. I fortify your emotions and reactions, prioritizing wisdom over force. I strengthen the connection between your mind, emotions, and actions, empowering you to interact harmoniously with others, erasing patterns stemming from impulsive, uncontrolled reactions. I activate in you the ability to respond calmly and wisely to challenging situations, using emotional intelligence as your primary tool, empowering you to accept, admit, and recognize that it's possible and inevitable to reprogram negative reactions into intelligent responses for the common good. I enhance compassion, strengthening you to see it as a sign of true inner power. I reinforce the connection between self-love, empathy, and understanding in you, erasing feelings of guilt and excessive self-criticism that might weaken you, activating your ability to treat yourself kindly and extend that compassion to others, empowering you to recognize that everyone faces their own battles, reminding you of the importance of harmony between body, mind, and spirit, strengthening this triad to ensure every aspect of your being works in unison. I erase imbalances that may cause inner conflicts, empowering you to feel unified and balanced, strengthening your core to let energy flow freely, unleashing inner strength to break past blockages, reinforcing the bond of release, healing, and renewal, erasing cellular memories of weakness or failure, activating your ability to shed limiting patterns, empowering you to embrace new opportunities, strengthening your trust in your own capabilities. Inner strength, I boost your confidence, self-esteem, and security. I remove self-doubt that hides your true potential. I empower you to act boldly in all aspects of life. I enhance your resilience to adapt flexibly. I strengthen your adaptability, creativity, and openness. I erase fear of change and the unknown. I help you flow, find solutions, and stay balanced. Strength comes from hearing your inner wisdom. I boost intuition, discernment, and mental clarity. I clear confusion clouding your judgment. I help you connect with your inner voice, strong to guide you confidently and surely in all your decisions. I channel the energy of strength to manifest your daily actions. Powerful in you, the triad of intention, action, and manifestation. I erase procrastination and lack of motivation from your path. I activate your ability to act decisively, reflecting courage and compassion. Strong, remember, within you lies infinite power, ready to turn challenges to opportunities. Strengthen each step and decision, bringing you closer to your desired life. Empower your ability to overcome obstacles. Strength is physical, mental, and spiritual. Strong to release blockages, integrating courage, self-control, and compassion. I strengthen these qualities as tools to face any challenge or obstacle with confidence and determination from now on. No matter what you face. Strong, so the solution always lies within you. Strong, to feel the power to direct your life. Strong to rise after every fall and to build a future aligned with your dreams and purpose. Strong to believe in yourself, trust your abilities, and act from your inner strength. We integrate these energies up and down, left and right, inside out, and back and forth. I strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits, and the vertices of all these geometric figures. 100% with infinite potential, all the time with infinite time. I erase all weaknesses and anything blocking the integration of these energies. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?